Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Welcome to lesson 5 on my beginner guitar course. Lots of interesting stuff for you coming up today. We're going to be looking at the C chord, which is probably not the easiest chord that we've looked at so far. It's a little bit stretchy. I found it a bit awkward too, but tell the truth, I got it together faster than I thought I would, and I'm hoping that you will too. We're going to check out a bit more about strumming, about like the overall picture of how strumming works and about adding in extra strums and making up your own strumming patterns. It's a fairly big deal. I was about to refilm it and I watched the video that I made of the same lesson a few months back, and I'm like, this does it. I don't need to do this one again, so don't freak out. I'm wearing a different t-shirt, but the content of that video is really super, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun when you understand a bit more about like the overall picture of how strumming works. And yeah, anyway, it's a pretty big deal. We're going to talk a little bit more about a few specific patterns that I'd like you to try out during the week. We're going to discuss a thing I call the note circle, explain to you what sharps and flats are, how that works, the naming of the notes and the 12 notes that we use in music for anyone who doesn't know that. We're also going to discuss making your own songbook and why I think it's a really good idea to collate all of the songs that you're learning into one place. I think it can be a really strong thing to be working on. And lastly, we're going to be checking out a super cool riff. It's Come As You Are by Nirvana. All-time classic, great guitar riff, lots of stuff to learn in it as well. So not too much new stuff, but particularly with the C chord involved and learning some songs that are involved, that's going to, that's going to be your main challenges for this lesson. So let's get stuck in and check out the C chord.